Our world is full of strange and unbelievable truths. Truths that, at first glance, seem impossible, almost fake. We see this world every day, touch it, experience it, try to understand it, and yet, some realities hide so deep within nature that when we finally discover them, they shock us. Today, in this documentary, we explore 10 scientific facts that sound unreal, but each one of them is proven, verified, and absolutely true. Fact 1. The human nose. A hidden superpower. We often underestimate our sense of smell, but scientific studies show that the human nose can detect over 1 trillion different scents. Yes, 1 trillion. The structure inside our nose is so advanced and sensitive that it can distinguish microscopic differences between fragrances. Yet we still use only a small portion of this incredible ability. Smell helps us understand emotions, detect anger, identify food, and connect with memories, silently guiding us through life. Fact 2. The heart's explosive strength. The human heart is not just a pump, it's a powerhouse. Research proves that the heart can build up so much pressure that, if blood were to be released forcefully, it could shoot up to 9 meters into the air. This tiny organ, weighing barely 300 grams, creates enough force to keep our entire body alive every second of our lives. A silent engine, beating without rest. Fact 3. The master of disguise. The octopus. The octopus is one of the most extraordinary creatures in the ocean. It has 3 hearts and a mind unlike any other sea animal. But its most unbelievable ability is camouflage. An octopus can not only change its color, it can change its texture as well. It can become rough like a rock, smooth like sand, or patterned like coral, perfectly blending into its surroundings. Its intelligence and nervous system still remain a mystery to scientists. Fact 4. Earth. The surprisingly smooth planet from the mighty Mount Everest to the deep Mariana Trench. Earth seems full of rough, extreme surfaces. But here's the truth. If you shrank Earth down to the size of a billiard ball, it would be almost perfectly smooth. That's because Earth's diameter is so massive that mountains and trenches become microscopic bumps in comparison. The planet feels rough to us, but on a cosmic scale, it's incredibly smooth. Fact 5. The fly that sees the world in slow motion. There's a reason flies always escape your hand. A fly can see up to 200 frames per second. To them, the world moves in slow motion. When your hand swings toward them, they see it as a slow, predictable movement, giving them plenty of time to react and fly away. Their perception of time is completely different from ours. Fact 6. Jupiter. The giant that could swallow Earth whole. Jupiter is the true giant of our solar system. According to scientific measurement, 1,300 Earths could fit inside Jupiter. It's so massive that its gravitational pull acts like a shield, pulling in dangerous asteroids and comets. In fact, many scientists believe that, without Jupiter, Earth would have been hit by countless deadly space rocks. It quietly protects us from the shadows of space. Fact 7. Your brain never sleeps when you fall asleep. Your muscles rest, but your brain becomes even more active. Studies show that the human brain performs intense processing during sleep, sorting memories, regulating emotions, repairing cells, and strengthening learning. Even in deep sleep, the brain is running like a background system, constantly working, never shutting down. A machine more complex than any computer ever built. Fact 8. Sharks are older than trees. This fact sounds impossible, but it's true. Sharks have existed for 400 million years. While the first trees appeared around 385 million years ago, that means sharks were swimming in the oceans long before a single tree existed on land. These ancient creatures have survived mass extinctions, climate shifts, and planetary changes, making them one of Earth's oldest life forms. Fact 9. A cloud can weigh 500,000 kilos. Clouds look soft, light, and weightless, but in reality, an average cloud can weigh up to 500,000 kilograms. That's 500,000 kilos floating in the sky. This weight comes from tiny droplets of water suspended in air, perfectly balanced by temperature and wind. They appear light, but their mass is enormous. Fact 10. Human bones are stronger than steel. Human bones are incredibly strong, stronger than steel when it comes to supporting weight. Their structure gives them a higher tensile strength than steel rods of the same width. The only reason bones seem fragile is because they are hollow inside, designed to stay lightweight so we can move easily. Nature built our skeleton like a perfect balance between strength and mobility. Well, our bodies, our universe, all hold secrets that challenge our understanding of reality. And the more science unveils, the more we realize how strange, how mysterious, and how unbelievably beautiful this world truly is. Sometimes the most unbelievable things are simply the truth.